Welcome to our Closet Co studio. I'm Jeff. Today in this video we're going to be talking about the various different steps it would take to install a level 2 closet on this back wall right here. We'll go through the different tools that you would need, which I have right here on the table, and then really sets us apart from our competition. That's one of the big things that we do is we do the pre-assembly, all the hardware for you as an added service, and that makes the process very simple. It's not really an installation process you have to do. The only thing you're installing is a fixing rail on the back wall, which was shown in a later step, and then the support cleats, which will again follow up in a later step after that. But first, let's go ahead and talk about the tools that we need to do this installation. So, a tape measure, a stud finder. We have a magnetic one or an electronic one. I prefer this magnetic one. It's so much easier to use. A Phillips screwdriver, a screw gun of any sort. This is an in-fast screw gun. You would need something right with, whether it's a pencil or a pen. A pencil I prefer, but we're going to use on the back wall because it's a little easier to see. And then a level. A 4-foot level would help you determine the level of the floor, plus it helps you mark the line on the back wall when we mark for the rail. And then lastly, this little torpedo level, which is very simple to use for adjusting the system for plumb and level. So these are all the tools you'll need, and in the next following steps, you'll see the rest of the process.